So the question is, why do we flip the sign whenever we divide fractions? So let's just do this problem really quick, the traditional way. And what we would do is that we would keep the first number, which is 4 over 3. We'd flip the sign, so division turns into multiplication because it's the opposite of it. And then we'd flip the second number. So this 3/4 right here becomes a 4 over 3. And from here, we'd multiply like regular. And 16 over 9 is our answer. But I'm going to show you why we flip the sign. And the way we do that is that we would rewrite this expression into a complex fraction. And so a complex fraction is just a fraction with a fraction on the top or on the bottom. So this right here is a complex fraction. And then we would just multiply the top and bottom by a certain number. And our goal right here is to turn this bottom number, the denominator, into a 1. So we want this to become a 1. And whenever you want to turn a number into a 1, you would multiply it by the reciprocal of it. And so we do 3/4 times 4 over 3, right? Let me erase this thing. And then whatever we multiply to the bottom, you also have to multiply to the top. And then here, we would just evaluate this like regular. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 4 is also 12. And then up here, 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. And you'll notice that if we kind of simplify it a bit, we'd get 16 over 9 divided by 1. This equality right here, this one and that one are the exact same thing. Because what we're really doing is just, we're turning the denominator, which is this divisor right here, into a 1. And then because dividing by 1 doesn't do anything, we just remove the 1. Right? So this would just turn into 16 over 9. And we get the exact same number or answer with this process right here. We'll do another one. This right here is a bit messy. But now we're going to do it with the slightly longer way. So if we have 2/5 and we want to divide it by 2/3, we would rewrite this as just a fraction, right? And now we would multiply the top and bottom by the reciprocal of the denominator. Hopefully I spelled that right. Of the denominator. And the reciprocal of that is just 3 over 2. And whatever we multiply to the bottom, we gotta do it to the top as well. From here, we would multiply like regular. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 on the top is also 6. And 2 times 5 is 10. The 6's on the bottom cancel into a 1. And this turns into 3/5. So if we rewrite that, we get 3/5 over 1, which is just equal to 3/5. So this is our answer right here. Now if we go back and we solve this shorter way, we do 2/5 times 3 over 2. And we'd also get 6 over 10, which is equal to 3/5. And we see that really we could have just put in a 1 down here, and we would have thought that this is like the same with this expression. See, 3 over 2, this 3 over 2 corresponds with this 3 over 2, this 2/5 corresponds with this 2/5, and the denominator equates to 1. And so that's why you flip the sign whenever you divide fractions. It's because we're just turning the divisor into a 1.